Hey guys, so it's really late, and I just got done writing a freaking paper for my. It was stressful. I'm stressed. I'm so done with grad school. Anyways, I got this in the mail. I got Everglow, Arrival of Everglow, and yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox this. So I just came across Everglow like earlier this week. Bon Bon Chocolat, and it's seriously been stuck in my head all freaking day, like all day, every day. So I had to buy this, and then I started kind of looking into them because I was like, who is Everglow, and why do they have such good music? So their title track, Bon Bon Chocolat, so good. If you haven't checked it out yet, like, what have you been doing? Like, what was I doing for the past month that they've been like debuted? Moon, also a really good song. I believe it was D+1. This song, the first time I heard it, I did not like it at all. Second time, I was like, okay, I don't know what it was, but like, this song has grown on me. So I'm really excited for these girls. Like, I'm so excited. I've been trying to figure out who my bias is. So far, I have like 3 contenders. And please bear with me, like, I'm still in the beginning stages of this, and I'm trying to learn their names and everything. Bear with me, please. Asia. She's actually one of my potential bias. Like, she's been sticking out to me so much. Like, I watched a couple of like their stages, and yeah. So Asia, Mia, and I feel like I'm gonna butcher her name so bad, and I'm gonna feel so terrible. Sion, I believe. I probably freaking butchered her name, and I'm so sorry. Like, these 3 girls, for whatever reason, have been sticking out to me the most. I've seen their little interviews, and like, they look so freaking adorable. Like, I want to protect them. Be like, oh, you can be my little sister. Oh, cute. Little sticker. That's cute. So apparently they're from a Chinese label. And this is track list, I believe, and lyrics for Moon, first track. Oh my gosh, I know her name. Oh my gosh, I know her name. I know who she is. Dear goodness gracious, I have a memory of a goldfish. This is terrible. I won't insert her name because it's not coming to me, and it's really late, and I have to wake up super early tomorrow. But it's super cute. Huh? It looks like they each maybe drew on the back of their cards. It's super cute. And another sticker. Everglow. Like, hollow. I'm really excited for these girls. Like, I hope they do really well. I love their songs. And second track, Bon Bon Chocolat. And third, D+1. Yeah, Mia's for sure. I don't know what it is about Mia. Like, she's just been sticking out to me so much. And look how freaking gorgeous these pictures are. Like, I can't deal. I believe her name is EU. I can't remember. I'm terrible. Because it's like everything for you, I believe is what her name stands for. I will hopefully correct myself by then. And I'm really sad they actually didn't put like their names anywhere. Like, this is their debut. Like, this is where we're all going to be introduced to them. So I would hope that they would do that. Oh, okay, so maybe it is somewhere. Just, I'm blind. That's very possible. I don't see their name. Okay, that is EU. Like, I don't know if you can see. E, and then pink. I can't freaking see it. I just see an A. If you can see it, like, kudos, and, like, please let me know, because I cannot see her name. Here's another letter. Where's the I? I don't know, guys. That's confusing. Like, it should be a bit more obvious. Like, right under here would be a perfect spot for it. Even, I'm so sorry. I feel like I'm butchering all of their names. Okay, she stuck out to me. See, like, look. How simple is that? Like, her name right there. She's been sticking out to me, I think, the most. Can't remember who's the oldest. Like, it's getting on my nerves. Yeah. I think she may be my bias. Like, Asia just might be my bias. And, she's like the cutesy one. I don't know if she's a maknae. She might be. Oh, special thanks. But the print is so small. You can see it right there. It's just, oh gosh. Liren, Mia, Asia, Sion, EU, Onda. Cute little special thanks. That's a cute. It's cute. I should put a lot of pictures. Look at Mia. Onda. There's a lot of pictures in here. It's like a pretty. Oh, I love this outfit. And maybe not even the outfit, maybe this like backdrop. Yeah, I think that's just my favorite. I know you use the leader and the rapper of the group, but as far as the other girls, I don't know who's a maknae. Like, I feel like I should know, but I don't remember. And then the credits. Oh, that's cute, very. Like, they have good ideas, they just didn't execute things as well. But, for sure, like, look out for these girls, like, they're gonna be amazing. Go ahead and grab these. I don't think yeah, there's nothing in there. And the postcard size. EU. And unicorn. Yeah, I really like this backdrop. So that's it for Everglow.